This project involved delivering a complete audiovisual solution for a major public sector organisation, transforming a wide range of spaces into modern, connected environments. Working closely with the client, we designed and installed AV technology across public service counters, meeting rooms, boardrooms, training spaces, and collaboration areas. Every solution was tailored to the way each space would be used, with a focus on simplicity, reliability, and seamless hybrid working. Accessibility was a key consideration throughout the project, with assistive hearing technology integrated across the building to ensure an inclusive experience for both staff and visitors. We also implemented a centralised management platform, allowing the organisation to monitor and manage its AV systems efficiently while providing a scalable solution for future growth. The result is a future-ready workplace that enhances communication, collaboration, and the overall user experience, supporting both staff and visitors every day.